Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I know you guys are wondering how I got my short hair like this. You know, it's like a genie ponytail, you guys. See how I got my hair to look like this. You know what to do. Keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, tell everybody you know. Bye. So after detangling my mini afro, I sectioned my hair into two portions with my rat tail comb, and I packed the front portion of my hair with a scrunchie. So I tied up the front portion of my afro slash mini afro with a scrunchie slash hair tie slash whatever you use to tie your hair, and I detangled the back portion, and then I tied up the back portion, as you guys can see. So I used the thread to tie the front portion and the back portion of my hair, and you know, slicked it down so it would look nice and everything. And I made it like really high, like a really high point. I'm using some Murray's beeswax conditioner on my hair and I am combing it in with my double-sided brush. So after my hair is up in a high puff, like a really high puff, I sectioned into 4 and I start twisting each section, as you guys can see here. Once I'm done twisting all 4 sections, I'm using a hair tie to tie them together. This is going to hold the 4 sections up, and I'm trying to get a high like genie ponytail, as you guys can see. Raindrop on the blacktop, hot stuff, feeling like a robot. Using very little eco styling gel because I don't really want so much product on my hair, to be honest. I'm going to just use a bit of eco styling gel to gel down all the flyaways and stuff, and then use gorilla knot on my edges and tie my edges down with a scarf. Let's wait and go one of these days. Here I'm attaching an old wig of mine to my ponytail, and I'm going to wrap some hair from the wig around my natural hair to conceal it a little bit and secure it with some bobby pins. And when I'm done, I'm going to add the gold hair ties and just keep wrapping it until I'm satisfied with how it looks. And that's it, guys.
Someone's gonna love me right. Love me right. Someone's gonna love me right. I die before I try to reason with the devil.
Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah nah. Give me that thing where I go feel me late, nah nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah nah nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want,